Big bike.
Oh.
Are you taking a picture?
I'm taking a video.
Good. Good job.
Now, how are you gonna ride that in the pool?
Point.
And barefoot also.
And also barefoot. Yeah, don't do that.
That's a nice one.
That is a nice bike.
That's the real deal, man.
I would have to agree.
It's got the big wheels and the disc brakes and the headlight.
What do you want me to look at?
8 gears.
Don't just change them. Just change when you're moving, aren't you?
He's just changing it now.
And they're easy to change too.
Yeah. It's a nice seats. You want to get some shoes? You're going to try?
How did he know that he turned the light on? He was first.
Turn off the light so Coda will chill.
Just hold it down.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, that's a bad idea for that dog.
Coda, really.
Do you like it?
Yes, thank you.
Are you done? What's up? You can see her missing phalanges. Dad brought in a new rock for her to add to her collection.
Ooh, that's heating up nicely. She gonna like that.
She does like a nice warm rock.
I would lay on that.
You gonna drink your water?
No, I was...
I think she's just soaking her hand because she's missing a finger. What is up, my dude? I just can't believe her finger fell off. That's what you get for being a crazy creature. We just get that rubber chicken out there. We did. That's the prize that we got. This is what we spent our time on. Oh my god. We got that. Right there. Literally to make Mom mad. We could have gotten 2. Because who won big? I won big. I don't know if you've heard, but I've won big. You did win big. Where's that man with our chicken? She's going to the chicken closet. It sounds like we're at like a fine restaurant. Yeah, where's that man with our chicken? 500. No. 1,000. Oh yes.
How much these? Regular hot chickens.
You can get any of the inflatables as well. And most
Thank you.
any basketballs.
And I think we're gonna save the rest. Here we go. Yeah, it's in my pocket. So what are we gonna name him? I think like, look at this note.
Awesome win.
Hey, we have a lot of tickets for you. We have like 800 if you want them.
But didn't you win the 1,000 ticket jackpot?
We did, but we had 1,600 and then we spent 800 on this rubber chicken.
Are we out of money?
Yes. Are you?
No.
How much money do you have left?
$15.
Do you only got half of it? You can just play with, we'll name her Mackenzie. Mackenzie, our rubber chicken. How can you tell it to her?
I was trying to.
I just decided. How could you tell it wasn't him? I couldn't.
I was trying to find you so I could play that game with you.
We can all play it. This is Mackenzie, our rubber chicken. Isn't she quaint? We can dress her up and do her hair. Quick photo shoot. Do a photo shoot. This is what my life has come to. I'm Smile! Are we done here? Yeah.
What is going on?
Hey guys, how's it going? I want some candy.
So basically I'm not helping them clear the table. I am clearing the table.
Things you never thought you'd have to say.
We don't have very much to do. I've already done
Please get the chicken out of the wine rack.
only a couple things.
Shirley is holding up left. Alright, before it.
Proceed.
Hello, future members of family.
No, don't.
So you know who this is from, right?
Mom?
No, Granddad died in death.
Whoa!
It's already,
Here, why don't you sit here and let us take a look
it's
at it.
already trying to fly.
So, look at it. Look what it does.
So there's hey, I can use the new phone.
Yeah, you can use the phone.
Hello.
Isn't that
Hey,
cool?
what's going on?
So you can see what the drone is looking at.
Software?